Today we are going to be talking about the website BoardMaker. BoardMaker also comes in a CD-ROM form, but has kind of been outsourced, and they are now doing an online subscription. To get the BoardMaker in CD-ROM form is quite expensive, in the hundreds of dollars. BoardMaker is a website that allows you to create digital content using pictures, and also allows you to create IEP goals and objectives if you choose to pay for that full subscription. BoardMaker is used for me personally to create visual aids, to prepare worksheets and activities, and then you can also use the online subscription database to look at free creations people have already made to utilize in your classroom. The pricing of BoardMaker ranges from free to use the community and view other people's things you can share and find on there, to personal, which is $99 a year, and you can share, find, print, play, track, and create. If you want to use the professional one for $199 a year, the one instructor and the students manage directly, and you can share, find, print, play, track, create, assign, and do IEP goal management. Or if you want to do the district one, you can get a quote. Now we will go to BoardMaker Online to utilize the online format. So when you first go to BoardMaker Online, this is the first website you will see. And if you haven't registered, you can go up to register now. It'll ask you for your name, your email, if you want to do the free trial or start your subscription. And then it'll ask a few other details like what your teaching status is and what online laws and regulations you need to follow based on the state you're in. So I've already created an account, so I'm going to go to login and type in my email or your username and then my password. Go ahead and log in here. And so now you'll see my name and my account ID. Right now I'm signed up for the 30-day free trial. So down here you'll see the Get Started area. There's curriculum. You can look up complete programs that are ready to use in your own classroom. You can find activities shared by other members, as I said. You can launch the Student Center, or you can create activities and templates to make your own. If you keep scrolling down, you can see all the different activities people may have created in the last few days or weeks. If you go up to the top, this is what I like to use for my classroom to create visuals and activities. You click on My BoardMaker and create activity. So I think today I'm going to create a calendar. You click on it, select template, and you can see that BoardMaker is loading. All right. So here you can add different things like pictures, text boxes, you can freeform select. I think I am going to add a sun on Monday. You can search sun. You click on the sun picture and then drag it over. Now Monday has a sun because it's supposed to be sunny on Monday. Or if you want to add that maybe it's a special kid's birthday on Tuesday the 9th, you can type in birthday. You can drag that picture over, and that can be on your calendar. So that's just one thing you can do. So we're going to exit out of here, leave page. You could also look at the top and see that there's a curriculum area. And there are different curriculums in here you can follow that are created for you to use in your classroom. Core First Learning, Expedition Education, Book Bridge. If you scroll up to the top, you can also see there are reports where you can track IEP goals, do performance data. There are activities that you can look. If you go to community activities, you can see community activities that other people have created. And you can search it by animal noises or general AAC board, which is helpful in giving visual aids to children and also allowing children to use those aids to tell you what they need if they are nonverbal. And here you can see all of your colleagues. If they also are on BoardMaker, you can connect. You can be in a group or you can look for certain people. So that's just a small overview how to use BoardMaker, but I find it an excellent tool for creating visuals and also finding activities to do with my students.